Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
SAP Datasphere, as I say, it's the foundation of a data fabric or a business data fabric, as SAP says so. So as we know, SAP Datasphere is one of those the prominent data warehousing solutions on cloud within the BTP landscape, right? So it's a part of SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform, which is SAP's answer to GCPs and AWS and so on. It's a cloud offering, basically. Datasphere is a cloud offering. It's one of those products in the data and analytics portfolio of BTP. And it is a data fabric, right, as SAP says. We'll get into the details and try and justify why Datasphere is a data fabric very soon. Now, before we go ahead, just going back in time. So this is all how SAP introduced its data warehousing solutions, one after the other, from the late 1990s. So as you see, in 1998, SAP introduced BW version 1. Sadly, I didn't get an opportunity to work on that. but later on 3.5, yes, that was in early 2000s. SAP BW 3.5 on RDBMS, right? Like Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server and so on, IBM DB2 as well. And then in the next decade, BW 7.x on HANA was introduced. Right? HANA was introduced in around 2010s, I believe. And then BW came up with 7.3 on HANA, 7.x on HANA, basically. Moving on to 2019, we had BW4 HANA, right? Which is what most of the customers are using. BW4 HANA 1.0, and then came to 2.0. The latest is the 2.0. And the support is until 2040, as SAP says. There is no new development foreseen. So SAP isn't really focusing much on SAP BW4 HANA solutions. I think it's already a matured, tried and tested enterprise data warehouse system. Yeah. So it's really powerful. We know that it's a complex system and so on. So that was a quick introduction about the evolution, from BW1 to the BW4 HANA. And that's about when in 2020, 2021, DWC was introduced, Data Warehouse Cloud, right? And then now we are sitting in 2024. In late 2022 or 2023, if I'm not wrong, SAP Datasphere, well, basically DWC became the Datasphere, right? With some changes. Datasphere is almost similar to DWC. There are a few additions in the Datasphere. Yeah, so that's about the on-prem systems, on-prem enterprise data warehouse systems, and the cloud solutions, cloud and data warehouse solutions. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.